Hello my flourishing friends! Another video! Yay! What I have for you today is something really nice. I was looking through my paper archive and what I found was an old calendar from 2 years ago, which I kept because it had beautiful pictures in it, like this one. And actually it also had the purpose of reusing all of the nice pictures because it's, I don't know, now it's hard to see after I cut it, but it's supposed to be a postcard. But I thought, why not use this pretty picture for a nice greeting card? So I cut that out, and I also have a pre-cut card. You might recognize the purple paper from another project. And I pre-cut a nice marble paper I found in 2 different shapes. And this is just a little paper scrap I use because it fits the colors pretty good. So what we're gonna do is do a nice card, and today's card is gonna be a thank you note because I recognize I didn't do one so far on my channel. And I think, yeah, I want to spread all the occasions you can do cards for, so there we go. Let's put this aside for now. Take the card, and like I said, I pre-cut it so it's all easier. Here we go. So I'm gonna glue that on top real quick. There we go. I also really cut and measured the nice picture. So this is gonna go also middle-ish. We're gonna try it like so. There we go. Then I have this nice lavender tone washi here. We're gonna do 2 stripes up here just to tie the card a bit together. That is that. With this already, the front is completely done. I'm gonna leave it like this, plain and simple, because I think the picture shines for itself and I don't want to put too many distractions around it. So that's what we have. I really think it's nice. To the inside. We didn't do insides for quite some time now, and I thought it was time again. So what we're gonna do is take the tags I already pre-cut, and I'm gonna glue them on top of each other, and then in the upper corner here, let me do that real quick. And on the bottom here, I'm gonna do also 2 little stripes from the washi. What is really important when you glue the washi on it, that you bend the card one time and really press it down. If you don't do it, the washi doesn't have enough space here, and it's gonna just separate from the card, and then it's like a bubble in the middle, and that doesn't look nice. So keep that in mind when you do some washi over 2 pages. Now, one of my favorite things, glitter metallic Sharpie. Let's shake it up a bit and write thank you right here. When the person opens the card and is like, oh, what the fuck is this? Opens it and sees the thing. There we have that. How I letter, I always just freehand something. Today I felt a little like furry, so I did that. What we're gonna do next, because I think this is a bit of empty, we're gonna do my nice little dotted line. Just also with the silver Sharpie, and then we have that. So now when you have the card, you open it and it says thank you, and you still have enough space to write your own personal note. I really like that. I'm not gonna put it really on top of each other now because the pen is still drying. Make sure it's dry before you put it together. So that's already it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some idea to do maybe some recycling with some nice pictures you have, or old calendars, magazine pictures, whatever you get your hand on. Like you already know, I'm a big fan of repurposing, so that's what we did here today. I hope you enjoy your day and get on crafting, and I see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles and hugs. Your Lisa.